Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing good. My name is Sandeep Goswami and this is my YouTube channel Sandeep Goswami Classes. So, after we had done the topics such as entrepreneurship basics and how to validate your idea, now in this chapter I'll try to cover the most important point in the startup is to find your niche. How you can find a niche in the startup world. But before that, let's first clarify what is a niche. So, niche is a specific solution of a problem that so many people are facing, but that solution is not under the spotlight by so many founders and entrepreneurs. When you identify such a solution and try to create in reality with an idea and a vision, then it becomes a niche for an early age startup. But before that, let's take a quick overview of the top 5 service sector in India where we can find some untapped niche market which can be converted into a good business model. Number 1, information technology. Number 2, financial services. Number 3, healthcare sector. Number 4, automobile services. And number 5, tourism sectors. So these are some of the top service sector in India where a large number of people still facing so many unresolved issues and problems. So let's take a spotlight of some issues. Starts with the IT sector where data privacy issues, cybersecurity challenges, employees always complain about the burnout and overwork. They don't have job security. Still, a poor work life is hard to manage by a lot of people in India. And in the financial sector, where digital frauds are usually very common, like QR scam, and people always complain about the hidden charges without notification. Loan approval processes are very slow, and delays in the customer support are become very normal. Now, if we going to the healthcare sector, we all are familiar with the high medical cost is always a major concern. Long waiting queues in the hospital, which is still disorganized, and a lack of specialists in the tier 2 and tier 3 city where a lot of people still need those services. Now it's become very serious. Coming to the automobile sector, which is India's fastest growing industry, especially if we talk about only EVs, then yes, problems are already there. For example, you cannot fix your EV vehicle with a local mechanic. In the authorized service center, the cost of some parts are very high, delays are very common, and people have always this issue with their poor customer communication. And in tourism sector, seasonally price hikes on traveling like tickets and stay again very common. Sometimes people are not satisfied when they reach to a location which is totally different from what they saw in the pictures. And sometimes in traveling, we want to know what is the story behind on a specific location which we cannot find on the internet, where a proper travel guide can help us if we make platform for them also. So these are some of the top service sector problems and issue which I just highlighted. Now it's up to you in which sector you find a very common problem that you also face. And if you don't see any competition or anyone working on that problem and you think you can have a better solution, then it becomes a niche for your startup. Now, if I talk about one problem, then there's a large untapped potential in the EV automobile services, where a startup can solve a problem which so many EV customers are facing. So let's go through the problem first, then I will highlight that how that issues is still under the niche category. If you look at the EV automobile market in India, then a large number of people wants their next vehicle to be electric. And in that specific segment, electric bikes and electric scooter are very much in demand. But when people buy them, then after some time, technical issues are often really common, like batteries issues, throttle problem, not charging sometimes, softwares and glitches problem. And after these issues, just like a normal scooter or bike, which runs on petrol, you cannot fix your EV vehicle with a local mechanic. You have to go to the authorized service center and get your EV vehicles fixed by themselves only. And it takes so much time. Sometimes you have to give couple of hours in the service center, or sometimes it takes a whole day to fix your vehicle, which is very time consuming for a working professional. So, if someone starts to spot that need of people where EV vehicles can be easily fixed by an online solution or a tech platform where professional mechanics could be easily available at an affordable price, so that people can find a better solution, an alternate solution for their EV vehicles, which we all know that is going to be one of the biggest market in the coming years of India. Thank you so much. Hey everyone, I hope you like my video of how to find a niche in the startup world. If you have any questions or any doubt, then you can connect me on my Instagram or my LinkedIn, or you can mail me at the given email address in the description. And yes, if you like the video, then do subscribe my channel Sandeep Goswami Classes for the more upcoming videos, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow founders.